Dump truck bed stuck up? Stop right now. This problem can damage your system if you keep using it like this. First, check your control lever. If it doesn't respond properly, the issue could be in the control system. Now check the hydraulic fluid level from the correct tank opening. Low fluid can stop movement completely.
Add the correct hydraulic oil slowly. Never pour oil into the wrong place or you can damage the system. Check the hoses carefully. Even a small leak can reduce pressure and stop the bed from moving. Fix the issue and test again. If the bed moves smoothly, your problem is solved.